What the roof looks like afterwards. We've got a fun roof today. This is what we're looking at. We've got tons and tons of moss up on top, down below over there. Can't really see it from this angle, but all the gutters are, oh, there we go. All the gutters are falling off. So I'm gonna do a little time lapse and kind of show you what am I using to clean this off. I just use a nylon brush, soft bristle to get the big stuff off, then we'll soft wash the rest of it. This way we're not damaging their roof. So see you on the time lapse. So we've done the initial brush off of the roof. You'll still see a lot of moss pockets and stuff on here. The reason that I don't scrub every little bit off is because if it doesn't come off with a light brush, then it's going to be pulling up pieces of the roof with it. So all these dark spots that you see here, all that's going to wash off with the roof wash. But this is what it started like over here. And that's what it's like right now, just after a brush. The idea here is to kill all the organics up here, make sure that the solution can actually get down to the shingle level and get into where the organics are, get rid of them so that they don't come back. I'm gonna continue on with the other side and then pull these gutters and jump down to the lower. I'm going to cover just a real simple gutter cleaning. All you need is a bucket, a gutter spoon, some gloves, and then possibly bags if you're going to bag it up. I'm going to use the customer's yard waste for this one. Let me show you what we're dealing with. All right, so when we're gutter cleaning, we want to pull out all this big stuff first and then check all these downspouts to see if they are clear or not. If they're not clear, I like to go through and rinse afterwards to make sure that everything's flowing correctly and it's coming out the downspout where it's supposed to come out. And then we also go through and tighten up any of these nails, these gutter spikes that you see here. That's about how simple gutter cleaning is. It gets more complicated when you've got weird roof lines and you got to get into funky positions, but it's really that simple. I like to get a gutter cleaning hook or a painter's hook like this. Just hook it onto the edge so that your bucket is out here. Then you're just gonna grab this stuff either by hand or with the spoon, dump it in that bucket, scoop everything out that you can get, and try not to let any of it fall down the downspouts. Now you're gonna continue this all the way down, and it's a good idea to carry a hammer with you so that you can tighten up these spikes as you go. Really, it is that simple. I'm gonna speed this up so you don't have to be bored with me going a few feet at a time, and I'll see you in a second. After you're done pulling all the gutters out, so they look like this, now you're gonna take your blower and just blow all that out, or you can take a hose and hose it out. That kind of depends on if it's really nasty outside, if you're washing the house. If you're washing the house afterwards, you can pretty much just blow it out. If you're not washing the house afterwards, it's a good idea to rinse it down. But either way, you want to make sure that you test the downspouts, make sure that they're free of clogs, and so that you can clear them if there are any clogs. almost out of battery, but I wanted to show you the end product of what we did today. We did a roof clean, we did a gutter clean, and we ended up adding some pressure washing to it. So this is what the roof looks like afterwards. As you can tell, the color's changed quite a bit. All this moss is dead. It'll come down. We ended up scrubbing quite a bit off with a nylon brush. But there's the lower side down there. Overall, looks pretty dang good. When the moss is completely dead, this is what you're looking for. It just comes right off like that. And that's how you know it'll come off with rain, freeze, sun, all that. Hopefully that job overview was helpful for you. If you found value in this video, or if you have any questions that came out of this video, please leave a comment below, like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll try to put up videos at least once a week. It's good to stay connected with everybody all over the country because things are always changing and there's always something to learn. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.